YouTube, take a look at this beautiful 2024 GLS63 AMG. Let me take you on the inside. The interior is absolutely gorgeous. Phenomenal build quality. Double big screens. Your AMG flat bottom steering wheel. Beautiful black Napa leather. Panoramic sunroof. AMG badging. So beautiful. Let's open up the back door. Heated rear seats. The upgraded Burmester sound system. Let's take a look from back here. Phenomenal cockpit. Ambient lighting under the seats there. Second row climate control. And you do have a third row so you can fit the kids.